Now, the next personal protective equipment that you will be equipped with are earplugs. Earplugs. These are foam pieces of rubber. You will receive brand new earplugs, so they won't be used, out of plastic. You'll remove them for yourself. And what you actually do is you can actually twist or press the earplug so that they can fit in your ears like such. You press them down into the ear canal, and what happens is the foam begins to expand, and what it does, it protects your eardrum. There are a lot of times on the construction site where you're hammering or you're sawing or you're in a close proximity of loud construction work or vehicles or saw cutting, and you need to protect your eardrums from these particular noises, right? So earplugs, very important, and you'll be equipped with these during the workshop, and we'll instruct you when to put the earplugs in. Now, the last piece of protective equipment are the gloves. Gloves are very important so that you, when you're working with sharp materials, whether it's metal studs or wood studs or any type of material that can actually pierce or cut your hands, you could be climbing up or down a ladder in a piece of sharp metal or something splinter is close or nearby. You want to protect your hands with safety gloves. So you're going to be equipped with safety gloves during the workshop as such. There you go. Safety gloves. So now you're ready at the actual workshop to perform all the activities. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you real soon. So for the bonus segment, I'd just like to mention the overall intent of the workshop. With 3H Pre-Apprenticeship, the workshop 3H stands for head, hands, and heart. And the reason why that's so important is because we believe that as a young emerging professional, you should be equipped to come into the world equipping your head, your hands, and your heart, having the knowledge to excel, building up technical skills, as well as having the right heart, where your values and responsibility to yourself, your neighbor, and your environment is so important that you're taking these skills in to be able to provide for yourself and your family, and you're also able to pass these skills and methods on, these values and your sense of responsibility to the next generation. And so this is what we mean by making connections into the world with your head, your hands, and your heart. We don't want you to be one-dimensional. We don't want you just to have be equipped with so much smarts, right? That you don't have multiple skills to help you transition from positions of excellence. We don't want you to have so much skills in life that you don't pay attention to the importance of your heart, of maintaining values and responsibilities to care for yourself, your family, your environment, to excel in life. It is so important that you are that sustainable professional, passing down these valuable notes, valuable traditions, valuable information to the next generation. So important. And so we thank you, and we hope you enjoy the workshop, and we'll see you real soon. Take care. So again, I'm Coach Green Gene, and I want to thank you for taking part in this particular video segment as it prepares you for the 3H Pre-Apprenticeship Workshop. We don't want you to forget to subscribe to our YouTube page, which is at Coach Green Gene. Subscribe to our YouTube page, share it with friends so that you can all receive content as it relates to enhancing your gifts, making connections into the world with your head, your hands, and your heart, so that you're creating sustainable pathways for yourself and the next generation. We'll see you real soon.